Alright guys, now that we've got the engine out of the Miata, we're gonna start partially shaving and getting rid of a few things like I said in the last video. We're gonna start painting it a new color, and from the poll on Instagram you guys said to do purple, so I mean, I guess why not? I mean, we'll see how it looks, and if I don't like it, then I guess we can really change it. I mean, it's not really that expensive, and it's only really spray paint out of a rattle can. So anyway, let's get right into it, and we'll see how it looks.
Not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
In New York, I'm in New York. Hiding in my socks, running from my up, and I shoot at up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm in New York. Hiding in my socks, hiding in my socks, selling every rock. In New York, I'm in New York. Hiding in my socks, use this every rock. Running from the cop, shooting at the ops. When I drop, I did home cat, I did home bad, fucking on your bitch, I'm her dad. All these niggas sound like cat, I'm a soldier, damn I died soldier, shooting like a soldier, like I'm from that north. All these niggas, always big, never, zip, bet that shit slow, bitch, I'm said she like the club, I'm young Cardi glove, design, it's on, call it dirty laundry, I didn't been the one young Cardi, hey young Cardi, what, young Cardi, I need a bitch that loop, I need a bitch that loop, I know my bitch that reek, and they say rockin' that reek, rich, Cardi, bitch, got a rich click, suckin' up the click, suckin' up the dick, get that whole tilt, told her box kick, then I run my tick, hop up in the world, locky in the world, locky in the world, and I'm cocky, walking on the cocky, she don't wanna block me.
Alright guys, so here is the engine bay. I decided to paint all the bolts neon yellow, or most of them that you see. I think it looks really good, so I'm probably going to untape everything, start throwing a few things back together, maybe line up the engine harness. I'm currently painting the intercooler piping just to match it, the yellow, so it'll look cool with the valve cover and turbo and everything. And I'll show you guys how it turns out all in the end, but you know, I guess we can start unwrapping this and throwing the wiring harness back together. Alright guys, so I kind of really like the purple now that it's all sprayed in and we got the yellow or neon yellow to match everything. That looks really good. By the way, I did finish the intercooler piping off. Oh, maybe I chipped it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to stay up to date with content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming stuff. We will be getting this thing on the road shortly. I'm going to go pick up the block by the end of this week, depending on when this comes out, Friday. And then we'll start building it again, or building it finished. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one, but don't forget to subscribe again, the like button, so I'll help the channel out. Hopefully we can go finally hit 1,000 subs. Anyway, catch you guys in the next one.